I am surrounded by obscene amounts of hoses. MTC Motorsport. This is the parts I'm getting for the car, which is going to be insane. We're going to go stage 2 on the car. Welcome to today's YouTube episode. We have arrived at MTC Motorsport, which means new goodies for the RS3. Today we are visiting MTC Motorsport in the RS3.
Come in!
Quick little interruption in today's episode. There is loads of new crazy deals on my brand OWNA right now. First deal, you can get one of these or 4 other colourways of this beanie and a donut sticker for £14, which is crazy. Go and check them out on the website right now. We have dropped brand new red wash heavyweight red winter hoodies. These are absolutely insane. These are part of our free t-shirt with every hoodie deal. Loads of deals on OWNA right now. We're also doing a free jersey with every set of MTB gloves. So go over to the website, ownerofficial.com, or hit the link in the description. One of these, MTC Parts. Jeez, goodies.
I get fuck off.
You lost as a savage, Reg, as well. Okay, so we have actually come here for RS3 parts, but we are getting obviously distracted right now by a V10 R8 Plus with a Quicksilver exhaust. Listen. I am surrounded by obscene amounts of hoses. MTC Motorsport, check it out. We have got stacks and stacks of hoses. mtcmotorsport.co.uk, they will have mods and parts for all of your cars. Go and check out their website. You can order off them direct or you can order through their eBay. Go and check them out. They've got hoses, parts, intercoolers, downpipes, boost pipes, charge pipes, you name it, intakes, everything. Get involved and go and check out their website. They've got loads of parts. Now, let's move on to having a mooch around this place and I'll show you what we're getting hooked up with for the RS3. Hose mad, aren't you, lad?
Certainly, yeah.
Golf R. Hoses with elbows. Renault Megane. Said nobody ever. Honda Civic Type R. I know we've got a few Honda boys in the viewership. Also, if anyone wants to buy the Audi R8, it's for sale. Looks kind of cool from above, seeing all the mad shit.
See it all inside, yeah.
Oh dear. Fair play to you. Not that many people have got the balls to hold this much stock.
No, I've got some shit, fucking hell.
This is the parts I'm getting for the car, which is going to be insane. We're going to go stage 2 on the car. Part of stage 2 on an Audi RS3, you need a monster of a front mount. And I'm telling you now, you will not get a front mount this quality, this size, anywhere but MTC. Get involved. Check that absolute monster of a beast out. Then we've got an intake pipe here with a bit of an elbow that's going to go down to the turbo. Intercooler boost pipes with the MTC logo there, looking sick. All the fresh clips on and all the bits, and then these are intercoolers.
Same, just boost pipe joiners in between the you know, just in between the hard pipes, if you will.
Yeah, delete the stock ones.
The standard ones are just, yeah,
shit.
That'll sit on there with a decent clip, yeah.
Damn!
Yeah.
It's a beast. Looks good as well with the black and red.
Oh, mega, yeah.
There you go.
Beautiful. Easy to fit as well. So you've got locator pins at the bottom there, which just sit in the originals, and then obviously you've just got your rubber tab that you switch over at the top, just to keep it straight, and that's it, job done.
Yeah, that's sick. Jeez. Jeez, look at that for a custom table. All you mechanics at home.
Bearings still turning stuff.
Jeez.
There you go.
She's a beast. MTC there.
Couple of snap-on ratchets and stuff in there.
This is the staple piece of branding, internals in the building. Sick that.
Yeah, mega. Good
That's
coffee
wild.
table there.
Hey, there's probably a few quid in tools
There
in
will
that.
be, yeah. There's a couple of snap-on spanners and stuff, I think, and like an old safe key and stuff there.
Jeez.
Some proper cool stuff in.
What's he like as a boss?
A lovely man.
You want a pay rise? We are back in the garage. Look how dirty this car actually is. It is absolutely destroyed. For those of you who've been watching me for a long ass time, you will know I'm heavily into my detailing. I'm still yet to do an Auto Finesse unboxing video. and I've got a pressure washer down there that I've been sent for a piece of content. So a couple of unboxing episodes and using episodes there to come in the future. But you will know I shouldn't even be allowed to say I'm into detailing with wheels that look like that. Today's plan is to get the RS3 out of the garage and properly unbox the MTC Motorsport gear and show you what I've actually got. It would be rude not to include some 5-pot RS3 noises. Let's go. Looking insane. You know what? Another little statement I'm going to make right here, right now on this channel is Audi RS3s are the ultimate show car / daily. They sit right between crazy and too crazy. I've decided. I actually come to that conclusion in my head. I was looking at my car at a petrol station and I was thinking, damn, I'm enjoying this car. I am enjoying this car. And then it hit me and I was like, if it was any crazier, it'd piss me off for maintenance, crazy stuff, repair bills. I was thinking, if it was any crazier, it would piss me off. And I was thinking, if it was any more chilled, it would also piss me off. So I think it's right in the sweet spot. What other car is in the sweet spot? Get in the comments below. We need to know. Right, so in today's episode, we are going to be unboxing some of the MTC Motorsport gear and having a check out and seeing what it looks like now we're back home. Let's go. Okay. This is going to be my tripod today. An Auto Finesse bucket is going to be the tripod. So, legends at MTC Motorsport actually hooked me up with a RAM cone filter, just because I'm running a pretty ghetto filter at the moment, like a £20 cone on the RS3. Okay, if it'll, yeah, check that out. Pretty monstrous cone actually. I'm running a ghetto £20 air filter at the moment, so this is going to be nice. Then they've been absolute legends and they've hooked me up with an intake pipe for an Audi RS3. So this thing's going to allow way more airflow Welcome to today's YouTube episode. This is gonna be crazy. So yeah, as you can see, they've sorted me out with a cone and an intake pipe, which is really cool. Something I really desperately quite needed. Now, loads of pipes, MTC Motorsports own pipes, there for the full build when I put the intercooler on. I was going to do it all in one episode, but to be honest, they've kind of hooked me up so hardcore in this episode. Like, they give me all this stuff for free, which is really crazy. MTC Motorsport. It's actually in Clitheroe, which is up near Preston. So it's pretty local to me, to be fair. Just loads of boost pipes and stuff for the front mount intercooler, which is absolutely sick. Check them baddies out. Jeez. So yeah, so they were kind enough to hook me up with all of these, an intake, a filter, and this bad boy. But what is crazy about this is going to give me the ability to go stage 2 on the RS3. Currently I'm running stock power, so probably 365. This should hopefully, with a front mount and some mods on the exhaust, get me up to about 420, 430. Darza RS3s, which are the newer shape than mine, they go up to about 500 plus on a stage 2, but mine isn't as tunable because it's an earlier model. But 430 horsepower is more than enough for me. I've got 9 points. I've owned some seriously fast, in my life I've owned some seriously fast cars, and I don't crave that type of speed anymore. So I'm happy. It's going to be a banger of a daily. 430 horsepower, it's a lot of horsepower in a hatchback. It's going to be a fast car, a lot of torque, really playful. Should be super responsive on the paddles. It's going to be a pretty crazy build actually. So anyway, yeah, they hooked me up with that much cool stuff. One of the next future episodes, we're going to do a dedicated episode for MTC directly, and we're going to do the full installation of all these products. So let's get them opened and show you what they've actually given us in this box. This is the main present. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And you know what? You might be thinking, you know what? You guys will know, if you've been watching me for a long time, you will know I don't work with that many brands. I do quite a lot of in-house stuff myself. One of the main motivations for doing this collab with MTC Motorsport was that I did genuinely want to stage 2 my car, but I didn't want to pay like £1,000 for a front mount intercooler. At that point, I actually messaged MTC Motorsport myself because I was shocked that you could get an RS3 front mount intercooler for 500. At that point, we then got chatting and said, let's work together and promote the intercooler on YouTube and stuff. But genuinely, I actually can't believe that you can actually get this set up for 500. It's crazy when nearly all other brands are charging £1,000 plus. They really are the most affordable high performance parts that you can buy for cars. So make sure you go and check them out. They got loads of car parts, as you've seen in today's episode. This is where today's video gets tasty. Jeez, look at the front mount intercooler. So, if you don't know what this is, it's probably too boring for you to care anyway, if you're not a car person. But if you are a car person, you know how important these front mount intercoolers actually are. Wow. That is going to look so good on the car. So it's going to be a full garage build on the stage 2 hardware. How crazy is that? Last but not least, we have got crazy deals on my brand OWNA. These are our new beanies and they come with a donut sticker for £14. And this is one of our brand new heavyweight red hoodies where you get a free t-shirt with every single hoodie. OWNAofficial.com, link is in the description, or Google us, we're right at the top. Sick episode, nice to see you all. I'll see you in the next episode.